Hello fans, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Kids Music. So today I'll be teaching you something very special. Today we'll be learning a popular Igbo song on F sharp, and I'll be doing the lead line and bass line breakdown. Okay, this is not the original lead line and bass they use in the song, but I'll be teaching you this lead line and bass line that you can use to play the song. Okay, just watch and learn. And I'm doing it on F sharp, but I will call out all the notes of what I'm playing so you can be able to apply it in your own key if you're not familiar on F sharp. So this is what you're going to learn.
Omemo iridike o, iridike o, omemo iridike o, Chineke nara ekele. Omemo iridike o, Chineke nara ekele.
So what I'm playing is just very simple, okay? So for those of us that don't know how to use lead and bass line and bass on keyboard, in case you don't have basses and leads, that's why I'm doing this tutorial for you guys, okay? So it's just very simple. First of all, you have to know the progression of the song, okay?
Omemo iridike o, iridike o, omemo iridike o, Chineke nara ekele.
So what I just did on this progression is just do, so, la, re, so. Then I can go back to my do now, or you can use
Do, omemo iridike o so, iridike o, iridike o.
listen. So I'm just going to your re, and going to your saw. It's just all those ones is just like a passing chord you can use, or passing note. So once you enter your do, first your saw, you enter your la, then you enter your re, so, do. Okay, that is just the progression I use in playing this song today. So what I'll be teaching you now, let me start with the lead line. So what I'm doing on this lead line now is just like a cool melody you can play. Do, la, fa, sol, re, ti, la, fa, sol, mi, so, do, la. So as I'm playing my mi, so, do, la, you can see my hand is still on this mi, so, do, la. Once I play my mi and my do, I will still maintain my hand on that note, so that the melody can be full and the rhythm can be balanced, okay? Mi, so, do, la, fa, sol, re, so, ti, la, fa, sol, mi, so, do, la. That is just the melody I'm using for now, okay? Mi, so, do, la, fa, sol, re, so, ti, la, fa, sol. So you go something like this now. Mi, so, do, la, fa, sol, re, so, ti, la, fa, sol, mi, so, do, la. Fa, sol, re, so, ti, la, fa, sol. Okay, so what I did here is just okay, it's just very simple. Mi, so, do, mi, do, re, do, ti, la. So, la, ti, la, sa, fa, re, so. La, ti, la, sa, fa, re, so, okay? La, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, so. Just very simple. Okay, you can do any one or any running notes you can use. Okay, I'm there. So mi so do la fa so re so ti la fa so mi do re ti la so la ti so fa. Okay, so what you need to know is that if you are on this, since I'm doing that mi so do la, so I'm still on my do here. So if you want to solo the song, you have to do mi do ti la so ti. So by me going to this T now, I've entered the saw progression. Okay. Do mi do ti la so la ti so fa. Ti do la fa so re so ti la fa so mi so do la. You can see. If you want to run your melody, you have to follow the progression also. If you're on your do, you can use your do mi so to solo. If you're on your saw, you can use your saw to. So your do must land on that progression, and your T or your saw must land on the progression. Okay. So let me just teach you my own melody you can use while playing the song. So once you play your mi so do la fa so re so ti la fa so mi so do la fa so re so ti la, then you can do the. So do mi do ti la so ti so fa ti re do la fa so re so ti la. So this one is so mi fa re mi do so mi fa re mi do so ta la so ti. So if I want to go to this T, I touch my La also. Just like this. Okay? So anything you're doing, you have to come back to your rhythm, which is mi so do la fa so re so ti la. Okay? So for the bass, you can do something like this. Okay, do so la fa so. Okay, do so la fa so re so fa so do so la fa so re so. That's just simple bass line, you can use it. Very simple. Do so la fa so re so fa so do so la fa so. So this is just a simple melody you can use while playing this song with your lead and your bass. Okay, it's just very simple. Okay.
O me mo iridike o o me mo iridike o Chineke nare
So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And also comment the song you want me to do a breakdown on. I will try and do it, okay? God bless you all.